How to see who viewed your Facebook profile? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile name. Select the three dots. Then after that, you will get the option of enabling the professional mode. You have to select turn on professional mode and then activate professional mode on your device. Once professional mode is activated, you need to come back to your profile feed and then tap on see dashboard. You can explore on your own and go to the insights next to home as well. From here, you need to scroll and then you can find profile visits as well. Also, you can see how many people visited your profile and some engagement metrics, but it doesn't provide a list of individual users who viewed your profile due to the privacy settings of Facebook. So, if you are looking to know exactly who visited your profile, Facebook does not offer this feature. The only way to see interactions like likes, comments, or shares on your post is through notifications or your activity log. So, for privacy reasons, Facebook has kept this information private. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.